Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update Shopify application on your iPhone. So let's get started right away. If your Shopify application needs an update or if your Shopify application is crashing and not working properly, then here is how you can easily download the latest version for the app. Go ahead and tap open your App Store or your Play Store, and then in the search box, search for Shopify. Now look for this application and tap on it to open it up. If you see an open button on the page, that means your application is up to date and there is no need to be doing that right now. But instead, if you see an update button, make sure to hit the update button and download the necessary application updates for your iPhone. The application update comes up with bug fixes and performance improvements, so make sure to update your application now and then just to make sure that it has all of the updates it needs in order to function properly. That is how you can easily update your Shopify application on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.